Look at this channel. One video, 2.8 million views. The next one, 746,000, then 281,000. 13 uploads total. That's the whole channel. Now look at this one. 2 videos at 1 million each, then 343,000, 337, 336, 269, 28 uploads, and it just keeps going. And here's what these videos actually are. A family sits in a warm little Ghibli house. Outside, zombies press against the glass. That's it. That's the whole video. Same room, different setting, over and over. And spent days tearing these apart looking for the tool stack. There isn't one. It's a single tool. You type the scene, it renders, you're done. And the niche is empty. I searched for a week and found 4 channels. 4, in a niche pulling millions. By the end of this, you'll have the exact prompt, the tool, the settings, and your own scene rendering while you watch. 3 things I'm holding back. 1 setting separates real Ghibli from cheap AI. Get it wrong, you're stuck at 300 views. This window is closing, and it's not more creators. And the big one. Most AI tools give you 8 seconds. This one gives 30. These channels upload 10 minutes. Nobody explains that gap. I do, later, don't skip. Let's build one. Everything here runs on one prompt. 1. That single prompt builds the whole video, so comment the word viral Ghibli style video prompt down below and I'll send it straight to you. Got it? Open the Google Doc, copy the prompt and head to Claude. Not ChatGPT, Claude gives noticeably better results for this, and you'll see why in a second. Paste it in, hit send. 1 second later, you've got 10 topic ideas sitting in front of you. Surviving in a lighthouse, a submarine, a treehouse in a storm. Pick whichever one you'd click on. I'm taking number 4, so I just type 4. That's it. Nothing else. Now Claude asks how long you want the video. 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, your call. I type 6 minutes. And here's where it gets good. Claude comes back with the entire build plan. 6 minutes means 12 scenes, 30 seconds each, 12 image prompts, and 12 video prompts, all mapped out for you. Then it hands you the first 5 image prompts and stops. On purpose. 5 at a time keeps the style locked instead of drifting. So let's turn those 5 prompts into actual frames. One tool does everything from here. Images, video, all of it. Higgsfield. And the reason we're using it is what just dropped on it. Seedance 2.5 in 1080p. Every other tool caps you around 8 to 15 seconds. This one runs 30. That's why the whole 12 scene plan works. Links in the description. Click it. Sign up. Takes 20 seconds. Images first, video after. Hover over image in the top menu and hit create image. Now the model dropdown. Select GPT image 2. This is the setting I told you about at the start. The one that decides whether your frame looks hand-painted or looks like cheap AI. Every other model in that list will give you something close-ish. Only this one holds the Ghibli look. Paste your first prompt from Claude. Set your quality, your resolution, your aspect ratio. Number of images. Set it to 2. You want options, not one roll of the dice. Generate. While that's running, copy prompt 2 and start it. Same settings every single time. That's what keeps the 12 frames looking like one show, instead of 12 strangers. Run all 5. Then go back to Claude and just type next. 5 more prompts. Run those, type next again for your final 2. And look at that, 12 scenes, 2 versions of each, all matching. Pick the stronger one from every pair. Now we bring them to life in 1080p. 12 frames done. Now the part that actually matters, making them move. Hover over video up top and click create video. Scroll down to the model section and select Seedance 2.5. Then duration, push it all the way to 30 seconds. That's the ceiling and we want every second of it. Now resolution, pick 1080p. That's the whole reason we're here. 720p and 480p are sitting right there and they're cheaper, but they look it. Then hit upload media. Your uploads panel opens on the right. Everything you've generated lives in there. Remember you made 2 versions of every scene. Only one goes in. Pick the stronger frame from pair 1 and upload it. Image is uploaded. Now it needs a prompt telling it what to do. Go back to Claude and it'll ask if you want the Seedance video prompts next. Type next and watch what it writes. Not a sentence, scene by scene, with timestamps. What happens at 0 to 5 seconds, 5 to 10, all the way to 30, camera angles included. That's the part people miss. Seedance 2.5 reads timestamps. You're not describing a clip, you're directing one. Second by second. Quick thing, if this is landing, hit subscribe, it genuinely helps. Alright, copy the first video prompt, all of it, every timestamp. Miss a section and the clip drifts. Paste it into Higgsfield. Check 3 things before you hit go. Image uploaded. Seedance 2.5 selected. Duration on 30 seconds, because the timestamps in that prompt were written for exactly 30. Resolution 1080p. Generate. Don't sit and wait. Remove that image, drop in scene 2, clear the prompt box, paste prompt 2, generate, then 3, then 4. So here's the answer to the gap, and it's not a trick, it's a number. Remember when Claude asked how long you wanted the video? That one answer decides everything. 6 minutes gave me 12 scenes. Type 8 minutes and it plans 16. 10 minutes, 20 scenes. It does the math for you. That's how those channels post 10-minute videos on a 30-second tool. They're not stretching one clip. They're planning the whole runtime up front before a single frame exists. So match your length to the channel you're building. Decide it in step 2, not at the end. Type next in Claude for your remaining prompts, 5 at a time. Same routine in Higgsfield every pass. Image uploaded, Seedance 2.5 selected, 30 seconds, 1080p. Generate them all. Then download each clip as it finishes. Now the last part. All the pieces are sitting in your downloads folder and they need to become one video. Editing. And I use that word loosely. Open any editor, CapCut, whatever you've got. Hit import and pull in every clip you downloaded. Drop clip 1 on the timeline, then 2, then 3, in order, end to end. That's it. No cutting, no trimming, no color work. Seedance already delivered finished shots. Then transitions. Right-hand panel, pick one, apply it to every cut. One transition across the whole video keeps it feeling like one piece instead of 16 clips taped together. Export. Render it out, upload. That's the whole thing. A 10-minute video, one tool, and an editor you touched for 4 minutes. Now, remember I said this window is closing, and it's not more creators. Here it is. Seedance 2.5 launched on Higgsfield first, before any other platform. That head start is the window. Once it's everywhere, everyone's making these. Right now it's 4 channels. Post this week and you're early. Higgsfield link is in the description. And if you want the other niche I found while researching this one, smaller, weirder, and nobody's on it at all, that video's on screen right now.